Hi, I'm Pete Connor. I'm Director of Electrical Design here at RōBEX. In arc flash, we're trying to mitigate risk. NFPA 70E is the arc flash guidelines that we all have to follow, and they're becoming more stringent as we go. Obviously, the number one thing is personnel safety is at stake. When you think about the brain box, the nice thing about that is when we talk about arc flash, we automatically jump in our minds to what we have to do for PPE to enter a panel. When we're designing in systems that reduce risk, the very first most preferable thing to do is to design out the hazard. And that's what the brain box does for us. It removes any arc flash hazard from that panel. So nobody has to suit up to get in there. Obviously that helps with troubleshooting and the time that that's going to take, because no one has to measure voltage or suit up to get into this panel. You know, obviously OSHA enforcement is becoming more common. Arc flash regulations have been around for a while now. Insurance companies are now auditing for this because of possible lawsuits, and any arc flash occurrence is going to come with some equipment damage and downtime, and the brain box eliminates those things. If you have any questions, please email us at automation@robex.us.